As I start the day, being a mother of 4 and a full-time working mom, shifting work schedule, at sa dami ng gawain gaya ng pag-aalaga ng mga bata at gawaing bahay. Kaya di mo talaga may iwasan ang makaranas ng pagod, puyat, at pananakit ng katawan. Until I discovered, tolak angin, ito'y tumutulong mapalakas ang resistensya ng ating katawan dahil sa natural na ingredients nito. Kaya bukod sa gawaing bahay, madami pa akong lakas para magawa ang mga iba't ibang bagay tulad ng shopping, family bonding, and other activities. And because of that, I shared Tolak Angin with others with my same lifestyle.
Word Tolak Angin, formulated in 1930, it has been trusted by many generations to maintain a healthy immune system.